Another important window that opens as a sub-window in Prosper is the reports window. The reports window, when you run a report, it opens this sub-window. Since in this object we don't have the possibility to run a report, I'm going to move to another database to show you this feature. We're on another database, and here in this object that's called projects, we have a reports. The configurator allowed the user, or this particular user, to view some reports, and these are the reports that this user can access. Basically, the report is we select a row here, we highlight a row, and we run a report on this row. We're on a projects list, so this is one project, the 275, and we run, for example, the income statement project for that report, or the project's accounts, or the project balance sheet, or the unit sales, or the project performance. Let's run the unit sales, for example. When we click on this unit sales, you see it opens this sub-window that's called the report sub-window. It tells you select one of the following saved outputs to view it, but no records to display because there is no report here. And it tells you close, refresh, or generate new output. Generate new output means you're asking the system to run a report. Prosper, there is a report server in Prosper that handles the reports according to their priority. So if there's a report that takes a lot of resources from the system to run, we need to schedule it so it will not affect everybody else that is running Prosper, because Prosper is a multi-user system. So according to its priority, the report will run. Let me see if I can run this report, if it will run or not. I can do generate new output, but before I do generate new output, the system will tell me the generated output name will be this. It generated automatically an output name based on the row that I'm on, and the name of the report and the date. It says delete generated output after, because the generated output will remain. You can configure the report to keep its output for 1 month, for 1 day, forever, whatever you want to. And you can decide how do you want the output type to be: PDF, HTML, CSV, whatever you want to, doc, RTF, XLS, depends if you want to export it to Excel or you want to see it as a PDF file. By the default, the configurator will decide what report output should be, and will decide if the user is allowed to modify this, for example, or not. Here in this case, this user can modify it. Let me see if I can do generate new output. You see it went blank. It says generate output ... and it says done. Okay, if it didn't say done, if it says waiting, you can press the refresh. Let's say it will take 5 seconds, then it will refresh to see to show you the output of that report. It showed you the output of that report. When you click on that output, it will open that output, and this is for example a report that we're looking at, an output of a report that we're looking at that's coming from Prosper. So this is the report sub-window. You can move. Let's say we were on a 275. Let's move to this, for example, and we run the same report. You see the generated output right now is not a 275 but Alali 4. So we generate new output here. We're running the same report on a different project. We ran this on the first project. You see, this is the new output, and if we go to the new output, you see that the new output is a different. This has different name, different data. This is the data of that output. It says that the run date is this one, and the expiry date is this. Means after 1 month from today, it will expire. Means the system will cancel will purge that output one month from now. This way, to keep track of the output of any report, to keep snapshots of that report automatically. So this will cover, we covered the reports window, that when you run it, for example, if we run another report, as you see, we don't see the output of the first report, because that output is my output, the user who entered, the logged in user here, that output is saved under my area inside the database. If we went back and we run the same unit sales, we see those two outputs. If somebody else entered here, he will not see those two outputs. It's only this is a private area for every user, the output of every report. Thank you.